Well, the main changes you see is how the campus has grown. I mean, the facilities we had were pretty basic, and I kept thinking, you know, wow, we've had such great facilities compared to the old timers that came from years before us, like 60 years before us. They didn't have much at all. And to see how the school has grown as far as what the campus facilities are offered is really pretty cool. And to know that they still have the same, what I call, high academic standards. The other thing is that's really different is there's a lot more day students than what we had. I mean, Fountain Valley was basically a boarding school, and it was not coeducational. It was a boys' boarding school. So having girls in the mix, you know, I was sort of wondering about that when they started that, but being with the mix today, I think that's a good thing. In the next 60 years, I think it's becoming more of an international school, for one, and two, the horizons that Megan has. I mean, one of the comments today is like, when I went, Fountain Valley was an Eastern school in the West. And Megan says, well, it's a Western school. We should concentrate on what Western culture and history are. So she's got plans to go in that direction. And I think that's wonderful, because Fountain Valley can stand on its own. And actually, I think it's going to be a leadership role to show other schools what they can accomplish